record on this computer. This meeting is being recorded. Oh my God, Tess, this is beautiful work. I am so, and do you know that I am not surprised at all when I see work like that? Because I know how good you are. Oh my God, you did it again. And you did it. Wait, this one I can't see very well. I'm gonna try to copy this one.
Did you see the new one, curtain in the door?
I did. So I was telling her I get home.
Oh. Tess, can you tell me what this one actually says? Because it's hard for me to read it.
The one on the top?
The one on the right over here, yes.
That one? We got 3, 2, 6, 7.
But is that 4,512?
No, but then we realized that, so we did another one.
Totally. So that's why I was like,
And
no, it's totally fine.
what did you,
Yeah. No.
so you made that a 12. You borrowed from the 1 and made that a 0.
Wait, can you see me?
I sure can. And I borrowed from the 5 and made it a 4.
Look what I have.
Wait a minute, hold on a second.
Okay, just making sure this work is.
Wow. Tess, what do you have?
I have my work.
Yeah, I know, and I'm looking at it right now. Do you see me looking and checking your work?
Yeah.
This is perfect, perfect work. I'm so proud of you. And can I check? Your mom sent me 4 of these, and
Yeah.
I want to check one more. Oh my God, it is so perfect. It is so perfect. I'm amazed. Now, let's try this. Write this down right now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a subtraction symbol. So write those down.
Yeah, so.
And so, Tessa, can you see what I wrote down?
Yeah, and I wrote it down too.
Okay, for some reason, you guys are frozen. Rick, is your dad still there?
Dad?
Yeah.
I'm frozen.
Yeah, she's frozen.
Daddy, I'm frozen.
She's
Come on.
frozen, and I can't see. I can't. I mean, I can see a picture of her from a while ago.
All right, let me grab another device.
Okay. So Tess, can you start doing this problem, please?
Yeah, sure.
Please.
There's always something.
It needs to restart.
And I'm gonna finish for an hour. It's going out there. It's only 15 minutes. Yeah, we keep doing that.
We're going to join on another device and kill this one.
Cool. Well, don't completely kill it.
Do you see me?
I see you, and I see you moving.
Oh, let me get rid of this one. All right.
Oh man, that's so much better.
Okay.
Thank you, Rick. Hey, Tessa.
Yeah?
Tell me what you got so far.
So 1 is too small for 6, so I made it an 11. 2 is too small for 5, so I made it a 12. 13 is too
Uh-oh. Somebody already forgot what to do. So where did the 1 come from? You can't just pull it out of there.
So the 1 turns into an 11, and the 11, so the 1, so the 2 turns into a 1, and the 1 turns into an 11, and then the 3 turns into a 2, so I make it a 12. The 4 turns into a 3, and 3 is perfect for 3, so I leave it, and then 5 is perfect for 2, and 6 is good for 1, and now I start adding.
You mean subtracting?
Yeah.
Go for it.
So 11 minus 6, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5. Okay. Next, 11 minus 5.
And you should read to me your final answer.
And then 12 minus 4 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 6 minus 1 is 5. My final answer is 5.
Wait, hold on a second. Now, Tessa, I heard you. I'm not sure what you wrote down, but one of them I believe you made a mistake on. And so I want you to check them each to make sure that they all make sense. Do they all make perfect sense?
11
Or,
minus 5, right?
well, what was 11 minus 6?
5.
And what was 11 minus 5?
And 11 minus 5 was 6.
And what is 12 minus 4?
7.
Well, that's where you made your mistake.
Okay, now I'm going to re-add it. I mean, re-subtract it.
Yeah. And honey, you know that 12 and 4 are both even numbers, right? So when you subtract them, it has to be an even solution.
Eight.
Of course. So do you understand now that you can't say 7? And Tessa, look at this. Tessa, look at 4 plus 8. What is that?
4 plus 4.
No. What is 4
Plus
plus 8?
12.
Right. Well, that's how you check your work. When you do subtraction, you always go 5 plus 6, 11. 5 plus 6, 11. It always works that way. Okay, keep going.
Okay, and then 3 minus 3 is 0. And 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. And my answer is 5,300.
No. Come on. You put the comma, 3.
86.
Does that look like 86 to you?
5,300.
5. Okay, so listen to me. Look at me in the eyeballs. Where's this the camera? Good. 530,865. Let's
5,000.
No. Let's try it again. Look at the number, Tessa. no, read the number as 530. Just say 530.
530.
Now read this number to me.
865.
Okay, stop right there. This is 865, but this is 530,000.
So
Now put it all together.
530,865.
That is perfect work. Now, this time, no mistakes. Okay, watch this. 9, 5, 4, 2, 6, 1 minus 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 8. Now write that down, and this time, no mistakes. You are going to get this 100%.
9, 5, 4, 2, 6, 1 minus.
And by the
1.
way, you can also, Tessa, say that as 954,261 minus 135,798.
Ooh.
Those are some pretty big numbers.
Okay. 1 minus 8. 1 is too small for the 8, so we turn it into an 11. 6 is too small for 9. So no wait. So since we borrowed from the 6, we turn it into 5. 5 is too small for 9, so we turn the 5 into a 15. Then the 2 gets turned into a 1 since we borrowed from it. And then 1 is too small for 7, so we turn the 1 into an 11. And then 4 minus 5, 4 is too small, and we have to make the 4 a 3. So we turn the 3 into a 13. And then 5 minus 3. 5 is perfect for 3, so we leave it. And 9 minus 1 is also perfect. So now it's time for the
No, not yet. Not yet. So you did everything beautifully, except you borrowed something and you didn't do it. You didn't take it from anything.
Oh, and the 5 gets turned into a 4.
Right. You cannot forget to take your borrows. All right.
Okay, and now it's time for the adding part. I mean,
You mean the subtraction?
yeah. Okay, so 11 minus 8, 10. 3. 15 minus 9. 5.
Uh-oh. Did you check your work? Did you add 5 to 9?
9.
9 plus 5 does not equal 15.
14. It equals 14.
Yeah, so it's not 5.
It's 4.
It's not 4 either.
Wonder what this problem can be.
That's right. It is 6.
And now 11 minus 7. Four.
That's very good.
13 minus 5. 8.
That's very nice, Tessa.
4 minus 3. 1. 9 minus 1. 8. And our answer is 8. Is 8. 80. 88.
Always read it as 100. Always read it as 100.
818,000 minus
No.
463.
Yes. Oh, Tessa. Now, what I want you to do, Tessa, is show me that you can check your work. It's beautiful work. Tessa, show me you can check your work. What do you have to do with this number here and the answer to check your work?
You have to do 8 and 3 and then
No, Tessa. What do you have to do with those two numbers to check your answer?
put them together.
You have to do what? You have to
you
do what?
Add them. So
Yes,
like
stop right there. Stop right there. You have to add them. So I want you to write them down again like this. 135,798 plus 818,463. And I want you now to
but
add.
in that one it's it's 11.
So what do I put here and what do I carry here?
You put 11. So
Nope.
you put 1 there and a 1 on top of the 9.
Oh, nice. Now what?
And now the 9 and now we add this one.
So what's
Okay.
the easiest way to add 1 plus 9 plus 6?
1.
What's
You have to start with the biggest number, 9. And then you have to go 6.
No.
And then
No. Tessa, come on. You want to connect numbers that make 10. And you know that 9 plus 1 equals 10.
10.
Right?
So 16.
Of course it's 16.
So
So
we
what
put
do you...
a under there and a 1 above the 7.
Right. Now you can do the next part.
And and then the 5. And then we add the 5. So the 5 plus the 8. 8.
What?
We start
Wait. Where do you see a 5? What did you do when you added 1 plus 7 plus 4?
1 plus 7 plus 4.
Yeah, what did you do there?
I added it.
Well, what did you get when you added it?
6.
Say that again, please.
Okay, I got 7, 4.
I asked you, what did you get for your hundreds column answer, because you never told me.
Oh, let me think again.
Yeah, don't you think you should figure that out before you do 8 plus 5?
Oh, 12. So we put a 2
Course.
and a 1 on top of the 5 and the 8. And then we start with the biggest number, which is 8. So 8 minus 5. So 8 minus I mean 8 plus 5. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So our answer is a 4 under there, and then a 1 on top of the 3. And then that answer will be 5. And then 1 plus 8 will be 9. And then our answer is 954,261.
And Tessa, is it the same as where we started?
No, yeah.
Tessa, that means you nailed it. That means you got it right. Doesn't that feel great?
Yeah.
Now, do you remember last week we started to look at a really good method for checking our work? Okay, so I'm going to ask you to write down a 4-digit number. Any number.
4-digit number?
No, just write it down, and it has to have different digits.
And each one?
Each digit has to be different.
So the second one is just in reverse?
No, I didn't ask you about the second one. I just said write down a 4-digit number. Let me know when you've done that.
Okay.
Okay, now
I
I
I
want.
thought I found 4, but it actually rounded down 3.
Okay,
I mean,
don't tell me the numbers. Don't tell me the numbers. Now, Tessa, I want you to jumble up the digits and write the bigger number on top. So if the jumbled up digits make a smaller number, put it on the bottom. If the jumbled up digits make a bigger number, put it on the top.
Okay. Done.
Okay, now subtract them with no mistakes. And then I'm gonna guess one of the digits of your answer.
You're probably gonna get it right.
I'll only get it right if you do the subtraction correctly. And then I'm gonna teach you how I do this trick.
Oh. But one of my numbers doesn't have a number on the bottom of it. So can I redo it?
Yeah, you have to redo it because it's a 4-digit number and you have to jumble up all 4 digits. And so every digit must have a number under it.
Can I use the bathroom really quick?
Of course you can. In fact, you know what? I am going to do the same thing. So I'm going to hit mute and stop.
It's only 1 second this time.
I know, that's what you need to know before you start.
No, you don't.
I told she's been really being focused. She's like, yeah, I'm doing well.
I came back to work. I'm gonna start with my problem.
Tessa, I'm back with you. So,
I got 2 answers of my question, and I only need 2 more.
okay, go for it, but don't tell me the answer yet.
Sit. Okay. Okay, I have my answer.
Okay, now I want you to circle one of the non-zero digits in your answer.
I
So
don't have my answer.
I'm sorry?
I don't have 0 in my answer.
Yeah, but honey, then circle any digit. It's just
Yeah.
that you can't circle a 0, okay? And when you circle the number, tell me that you've done it.
Okay, I have done it.
Okay, now tell me the other digits of your answer, and if you did the subtraction
Can I do it?
correctly,
Do I have to do it in the way that it is, or can I just
no, scramble them is the best.
3, 1, 7.
Okay, if you said 317, therefore, you must have circled the number 7.
No.
Okay, so now we're gonna find your mistake. What was your original number?
On the first row?
Yeah, the number on the very top.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, and what was your number on the bottom?
My number on the bottom. Oh, the number on the bottom was bigger.
Well, then that's the problem. You can't subtract a bigger number unless you go into the negatives. So what I want you to do is let us do it again, Tessa. And now, Tessa, watch me. Put down your pencil, and I want your eyes completely focused on the screen, okay? And move your screen over because you're all the way to the right of the screen. That's much better. Now, Tessa, I'm gonna ask you to write down a 4-digit number. You ready? Now look at me in the eyeballs. Look at me in the eyeballs. Don't write anything down. Ready? 3894. Now, Tessa, 3 is the smallest digit in that number, yes?
Yeah.
So if I jumble the numbers around, that jumbled number is gonna have to be bigger. Because it's gonna start with like a 4,
Or an
and then
8.
a 3, and then an 8 and a 9. And then Tessa, I'm gonna do the subtraction. 5, too big, borrow, too small, borrow, 495. And Tessa, that is what I want you to do. So write down right now a 4-digit number, jumble the digits, and put the bigger number on top. And Tessa, please check to make sure it's the bigger number. Because if you do that, we're gonna get to do this magic trick, which is so much fun. You can take these if you want. Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to answer it.
Maybe. You're welcome. Maybe you could pick it up. Can I lift this? That's the question. All right, Tessa. Have you written down your first number and your jumbled number?
Yes.
Is the jumbled is the bigger number on top?
Yes.
Okay. Then, Tessa, all you have to do is subtract, but let's see you do it with a little more speed and accuracy.
Okay. 0. Done.
Okay, now, can you please circle one of your non-zero digits
Ready.
in your answer?
I've
And
done
can
it.
you please tell me the remaining digits in your answer? I hope that we did this. I'm so excited.
4 0.
So say it one more time.
0 4 0.
Whoa, you must have circled the number 5.
I circled the number 6.
Okay, so Tessa,
I
what
forgot
was your original number, Tessa?
8 7 4 6.
No, your original number was 8746. And what was your jumbled number?
4 7 8 6.
And Tessa, when you subtracted, are you looking up at the screen? Did you do 14? Did you make that a 6 and then a 16? And did you make that a 7? And Tessa, hold on a second. And 3,960. So,
That's right.
so Tessa, what do you think? I don't think you're really ready to be doing this on your own yet. So what we're going to do is you and I are going to do it first, because Tessa, unless you can do this on your own each time, the magic trick is not going to work. All right. So I'm going to choose the number right now. 5003, 5003 minus 1,234. Can you write that down, please?
Okay.
Now let me know when you've written it.
I've done it.
Okay, good. Now, Tessa, can you please tell me each step and what you did? And remember, you cannot You may not borrow if you don't actually take the number from somewhere.
Okay. So 3 minus 4. Okay, so 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. 3 is too small for 4, so I make it a 13. 13 minus 4 is, let me think.
That one.
Oh, 9.
Good.
Okay, and then 0 minus 3. 0 is too small for 3, so we turn the 0 right into, and we turn the 0 right, and we turn the 0 right into a 10.
Nope. Now, Tessa, guess what you did?
What?
First time you borrowed, wait, Tessa. The first time you borrowed, you didn't take it away from anything.
Right.
So, Tessa, that's the first. Do not do the subtraction until the very end. First, if you borrow, take it from somewhere. Come on, we can do this. So, what do you do, Tessa?
0, 3. The 0 gets turned into a 0.
No, the 0 does not get turned into a 0. You borrowed the 1.
From the 0.
What did we
So
do last week?
Into.
When you borrow it, it's like it was. Look at me in the eyeballs. Look at me in the eyeballs, please. Tessa? Tessa, please look up at the screen. Tessa, it's like it was a 10. When you take 1 away from 10, what do you get, Tessa?
1 away from 10, 9.
And Tessa, since it's not a 10, you have to keep borrowing from the next one. Go ahead, do it. 0 becomes a what? 0 becomes a what?
9.
Good. But since it's not a 10, you have to borrow again. Go for it. Tessa, where'd you borrow that from?
Let me think.
Tessa, where did you borrow that from? Come
So-
on, Tessa.
Right from the 5, so the 5 gets turned into a 4.
Right, Tessa, you did it.
For
Now
the
you're ready to subtract. Go.
really fast. 9, 6, 7, and 3. 3,769.
Wow. Tessa, that is impressive. Give me a high five. Now, Tessa, next time, no mistakes. You haven't yet done one with me with no mistakes. So we're gonna try again, but this time, I want you to look at the problem to the left. So right now, I want you to study it. Your eyes should be on my screen and be looking at this problem. And I want you to really study it because I'm gonna put something on the screen that's gonna require you to really pay attention.
Do I have to write it down?
Oh, you should definitely write it down because you're good at that. You're really good at that. Oh, you know what? I don't like one of my numbers. I'm gonna change it. Hopefully you didn't write it down yet.
I didn't. I was just flipping to a new page.
Okay, go for it, kiddo.
Okay. Okie dokie. I wrote it down.
Okay, now I want you to take me through everything you do, but look at me in the eyes. If you borrow a 1, you have to take it from somewhere. You can't just borrow and not take it from somewhere. And now look at me in the eyes, please. If you borrow from a 0, you'll always make it a 9, but you'll keep borrowing until there's no more zeros left. Okay, get ready, get set, go.
Okay. 1 is too small for 3, so we make it an 11.
Yes.
Okay, 3 is too small for 5, so we turn it into 13.
Tessa, you did it again. Tessa, no. Tessa, you have to borrow the 1 from somewhere.
But
And you
first
didn't
we
borrow it.
2, so it's a 12.
Yeah, but Tessa, Tessa, look up at the screen into my eyes. Explain to me why you don't borrow.
I don't know.
Okay, so Tessa, say, Mr. Kramer, I am gonna always borrow before I move on. So
Mr. Kramer, I'm always gonna borrow before I move on.
yes, okay, now sweetheart, what do?
The 0 now.
The 3 becomes just look at my screen. I haven't written anything above the 3. You need to tell me what to write.
A 12.
Well, a 2, which then becomes a
12.
Okay. Where'd you get it from?
Okay, we got it from the 0, so the 0 got turned into 9.
Nice.
Okay, and then
Tessa, I don't hear what you're doing.
okay, and then 0 is too small for 8, so we turn it into a 10.
Nope. Tessa, you did not study the problem we did before.
Oh, wait. Oh, and then we turn it into a 9.
Right.
Yeah.
Tessa, you have to listen when I ask you to study and look at the question we did before.
And then 6 minus 3.
No, Tessa, no. Look at the problem we did before. Tessa, look at the 5. And what happened to the 5? Where did we get to make the 0 a 9?
Into a 5.
Right. So Tessa, you got to follow.
Last time.
Okay. Come on. I think you'll get it next time. I really do.
8, 7, 4, 1, and oh, 2. 2,000.
I don't agree with your answer, Tessa.
21.
I don't agree with your answer. Please look and try to be more accurate. You're doing really well, but you missed a number.
0, 9 minus 4 is 4.
Well, that must mean that 4 plus 4 is 9, which you know is not true.
Oh, the answer is 8.
Tessa, what is 9 minus 4? Tessa, I think you know 9 minus 4.
9 minus 4.
Tessa, I have an idea. Take your hands, put your hands on the table with your pencil, put them on the table, because your hands are in front of your eyes. If you look at 9 and 4 and you think, what do I have to add to 4 to make 9? Can you put your hands on the table for me? Try that. Take your hands, put them down on the table. No, put them down. There you go. Now they're not in front of your face. Now, Tessa, look at 9 and 4. What does 4 need to add to get to 9?
5.
Yes, it is.
So
And
the answer is
Tessa,
5.
right. But come on, kiddo. You know 9 minus 4 is 5. And now you can read the answer.
Okay. Hey. 21,578.
Beautiful job. Tessa, give me a high five.
A hair high. A hair
Huh.
high.
Okay. Now, if I had hair, I would do that. Now, Tessa, I want you to watch what I do. Put your arms down, please, so you can focus. Because you've been so well focused today. Tessa, do you see that 3 plus 8 equals 11?
Wait. We
No,
did
do you
that.
see it? I'm asking you,
We
do
done
you
it before.
But do you see it? It's a yes or no question.
You have an 8 plus 3. So 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good. Tessa, do you see that 5 plus 7 is 12?
Wait. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're right.
Tessa, do you see that 4 plus 5 is 9?
9.
And Tessa, do you see that 8 plus 1 is 9?
8, 9.
And Tessa, do you see that 3 plus 2 is 5?
Yeah. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now, Tessa, that is how we do subtraction. We actually just add. We actually just add. So here's what I want you to do next. I want you to write down this problem. Are you ready?
Yeah.
5,008 minus 1,769. Write that down. And you have an opportunity right now. You have an opportunity to write this down and get this problem right. So let's see.
5, 0, 0, 8, 1, 7, 6, 9. Line.
Okay, now, Tessa, this you're not gonna miss any steps. But Tessa, look at me in the eyes for a second, please. I want to see your eyes. Tessa, I want you to look at the problem we did on the other page. Do you see it? Do you see the problem we did on the other page? I don't see you
Yeah.
looking at it. Can you sit up, please, like nice and straight?
Like this?
No, I want you to sit up straight so your head is vertical. Okay, now, can you look at the problem we did on the left and can you follow it and make sure you make no mistakes? So follow what you did correctly to do the next one correctly. All right? Get set and go.
Okay, 8 minus 9. So 8 is wedge. It's not that small for 9, but we still have to make it an 18. And then and then 0 is too small for 6. So
Tessa, look, Tessa, no. Tessa, look at the other problem we just did. You never borrowed. You never borrowed. You never borrowed. You have to remember to borrow. Tessa, as many times we will do it. So tell me what you did, Tessa.
we turn the 0 into a 9.
Awesome.
And then we turn the 0 into a 9. And then we turn a 5 into a 4. And then we do the subtracting part.
All right. Go for it, kid.
And my bigger numbers on top.
Yes, it is.
Sixteen, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9.
So Tessa, which one are you working on?
The first one. Now I'm going on to the second one.
Yeah, but you haven't even told me what you got for the first one.
Oh, 9.
Oh, good. That's great. The next one should be even much easier.
Three.
So the next one should be much easier. So can you do 9 minus 6?
2.
I think you can. Really? 9 minus 6 is 2.
Oh no, 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2.
Good.
And then 4 minus 1 is 3.
And your final answer is?
It's 32, 39.
Now, Tessa, I want to end this session by
30,039.
3,000. Tessa, look up at the screen. Tessa, look up at the screen, please. Tessa, would you please look up at the screen? So we have 3,239.
So
Okay.
239.
It's 3,239. Now, Tessa, I want you to put your pencil down.
139.
And I want you to do laser eyes on the screen. Okay? Pencil down, laser eyes on the screen. Pencil down so I don't have to see the pencil. Okay? Ready? Now, if I give you 9, 7, 6, 0, 3, 4, and 1, 9, 8, 3, 6, 7. Tessa, just listen and watch, okay? 4 is too small for 7, make it a 14. Borrow from the 3, make it a 2. 2 is too small, make it a 12. We had to borrow from the 0 to make it a 9. We always borrow from the next and make it a 5. 5 is too small for 8, it's 15. We must borrow that 1 from the 7 to make it a 6. We must make the 6 a 16 and borrow from the 9 to make it an 8. And when you do this, Tessa, you can then go 8 minus 1, 16 minus 9, 15 minus 8, 9 minus 3, 12 minus 6, 14 minus 7, and 777,667. Tessa,
Can I check
that, can you say it, please?
777,667.
Tessa, I have to tell you something.
Yeah.
You were a rock star, okay?
Thank
Now, Tessa, I am telling you, if you practice the way you practice this week, I bet that next week you'll be able to do these without making any mistakes. Do you think that that's possible?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Give me a high five, kiddo.
No, hair 5.
Bye.
Bye.